There, our load is now activated, and my test fan light up, light up, light up. Welcome guys in my YouTube channel. Today we're going to fix Dixell XR06CX, and the issue guys is the fan motor engaged but the output is not engaging, and I put a load here at 220 fan motor here, and it's being wired to the terminal number 2, which is the line for the evaporator fan motor, and the other one is to the neutral. Okay, so we don't have a 220 output for the terminal number 2, and let's proceed to terminal number 3, which is the compressor, and take a note, my test fan light up. So we're going to check what seems to be the problem here. Maligayang pagdating sa aking channel mga lodi. Check tayo ng Dixell XR06CX, and the issue is wala siyang output para sa evaporator fan motor. Okay, live ha. Makikita nyo is connected ang aking terminal number 2. The terminal number 2 is being connected. Okay, make sure na hindi natin matouch anything in there. Okay, here the terminal number 2 here should light. Ayan, kaya na nakikita nyo wala siyang light ha. Itong 3 natin is yung line for compressor. Ayan, may output siya. Ngayon, ititrace natin ito. Itong hawak ko na to is yung kanyang relay. Okay, mapapansin nyo itong relay na to, there, ito is line. Okay, connected si line dito, connected si line dito, connected si line dito sa ating relay, pero dito sa output niya dapat meron ito para i-engage niya ito. So wala siya. We're going to set the clock meter to voltage reading, and I'm gonna show you that we don't have a 220 output. Okay, I just discussed a while ago in Tagalog that this line here should be reached here, and once we have a 12 volts here, the line should be connected here to relay the 220 power here. And we're going to check. My neutral is 5 here, and number 2 is fan. Okay, I don't have a 220 volts here, and let's go to terminal number 3, 5 and 3, and I got 236. Now we're going to change this relay to fix the issue, and right now I have here with me a replacement. So ganun lang mga lodi pa paano mag voltage reading. Okay, I'm gonna show you that there is a 12 volts to this relay, and the terminal is here, this thing here. Okay, just set it to DC, and here, and we got 13 volts. So we have the coil is okay.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Going to replace this with this. The legendary secret of a technician is to pull out parts from board, but don't worry, it's original. And checking relays coil, make sure that it has a continuity, meaning it's a good relay. Okay, very good. What happened here, guys, is the line for the fan motor is being inserted wrongfully with neutral line. So salubong. Okay, to install. Ang nangyari dito mga lodi is nagsalubong yung line. Other technician than me, wrong wiring. So ganyan ang mangyayari mga lodi kapag narorong wiring tayo. Wala itong fuse. This circuit doesn't have fuse. Just a single mistake, then you blow up. Kick. Okay, 12 volts. Okay, 12 volts, 220 output. There. It's spinning down, guys. It's very easy to fix. Take a look. There. We got it power now. Yan guys, umilaw na aking test pen. Yung load natin nag-i-spin na. At meron na tayo dito. Ayan o, umiilaw na. So, ganun lang mag-repair mga lodi. Okay, once again. Power on. There. Our load is now activated. And my test pen, light up, light up, light up. Kung bago sa aking channel guys, pag-support po ako sa pamamagitan ng pag-subscribe at pag-click na rin yung notification bell para updated ka just in case na meron tayong bagong upload na video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Until next time, God bless.